Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 easy Google Maps secrets. Watch this! This video is dedicated to Darren Marion from Rittel SEO, who passed away November 14th, 2021. I love you, brother. Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. So today I am just going to go over the 3 things that I would do if you're not ranking for a keyword. First thing is put the keyword into Google. So today I'm using the keyword personal injury lawyer. Right, so let me just get to the starting point right here, personal injury lawyer. And if you're not ranking in the Google 3-pack, you will see this is the Google 3-pack. If you're not ranking here, you click more businesses. And let's say you are ranking all the way on the bottom, somewhere around here. Okay, so we'll take this fella, Frank DiCasola. So we'll take a look at the website. Here are 3 things that I would do right now if I was in this position as this fella. Beautiful website, very nice, nicely laid out. I would have laid it out different for SEO, but you know, it's well spaced. It's nice. Okay, so here's what I would do: is I would find his personal injury page, which is right here in the FAQs. And I would change the first 500 words right here. I would change the first 500 words. So, for example, it says here, do I have a case? I would make it a little more specific. So I would go over to Wikipedia and type in personal injury lawyer. And I would try to find any keywords that are bolded or that are links. So right here, the first one, lawyer. So I would say, do I have a case? Should I ask a lawyer if I have a case? Right? That's better than do I have a case? Like, do I have a suitcase? Or like, what are you trying to say? Like, you should have the keywords in here. Right? I saw another one, malpractice. Okay, so here's another one. How will you prove my malpractice case? You know, as an attorney or something like that. Right? So just go through Wikipedia for whatever keyword you're trying to rank for, and try to put in some of these keywords. Look how great these keywords are. Look, negligence, slip and fall, right? That all has to do with personal injury, and none of those keywords are here. Okay, so we definitely want to put them here. We want to put them in the answer. So if you need keywords, a good place to go to is Wikipedia. You could type in plumber, electrician, plastic surgeon, right? So that's the first thing I would do. Change the first 500 words. The second thing I would do is change the title tag. So it says personal injury FAQ. I would put in, you know, personal injury lawyer, located in Pinellas Park, Frank DiCasola. I would change that. Personal injury lawyer. So the next thing, step 2, is I would change this tag right up here, the title tag. So take a look at that. And then the third thing I would do, I'm going to do 3 and 4 at the same time, because I'm going to give you an extra one. So this is the third thing that I would do, is I would get several reviews. Whoops, I'm sorry. I would get several reviews. Right here. I would get several reviews, and I would use the keyword personal injury lawyer, Pinellas Park. Just over the next 2 or 3 weeks, get 2 or 3 reviews using those keywords. So, you know, I needed a personal injury lawyer. I got in touch with Frank DiCasola, and he was able to help me with a slip and fall accident, right? Use some of those keywords, or a malpractice accident for a doctor, something like that, right? Now, make sure when you get the reviews, they're only coming from this area. It's no good if, you know, if your reviews aren't coming from close to you. If they're coming from somewhere around here, Montgomery, Alabama, it's not going to do you any good ranking in the Google 3-pack right over here. You got to get reviews in your area. Okay? You must get reviews in your area. So if you're located here, get reviews in this area. And then the last thing that I would say is make sure you're using the proper GMB category. So you'll notice for personal injury lawyer, the GMB category is personal injury lawyer. That's the actual category. You can see it right here. See, personal injury attorney, excuse me. So you want to make sure that you're using the correct category. I had a client years ago who kept changing his category. He wanted to rank, for example, for personal injury, but he would change it every once in a while, the trial lawyer, and he was just experimenting. In the meantime, we were messing up the rankings. So I know that firsthand, that you could mess up the rankings. So you notice everybody has personal injury attorney. So those are the 4 things that I would do right away. Change the content on the website, change the meta tag, get 3 or 4 reviews over the next couple of weeks using the keyword, the person's name, and also the area, throw in a couple of keywords. And then the last thing I would do, what did I say the last thing? I said something as extra credit. Oh, the GMB category. Make sure you have the right GMB category. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to work with me, I do consultations. Feel free to just shoot me a text. Let me know what your issue is. I'll be happy to help you. If you'd like me to work on your website and do all the things that we speak about here in the videos, we could set something up. Or if you just have a quick question, feel free to shoot over a question to me. I'll be happy to help you. Guys, with that being said, please be good to your family. Kiss your wife, kiss your kids, clean up around the house, help out around the house. It's very important. The other thing is please get your cardio CT scan. Very simple. Go to your doctor, have them write a prescription, and then just bring it over to the cardiologist, and you can get it done. It's super simple. All right, guys. Everybody have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.